everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and today let me help you how to activate your Discover credit card, and here's a best method for that. So in your website, please search in activate your Discover credit card, and the first website that will appear is the one that will be going. So with that, it is actually pretty simple because you just need to provide your card number, the number starting with a 6011 on your card, then the last four digit of your SSN or ITN. And after that, it will prompt you and proceed you to activate your card. Just follow the prompts that will show. Also, another method for that is that you can call them by the number that's attached by your card. So, when it was delivered by you, there is a printed sticker attached to the front of your card, and you can actually use their customer service for that in order to activate your credit card.